Okay, so next we want to draw the bimedians of any quadrilateral. So first I'm going to draw out a normal quadrilateral. So let's say we have a rectangle. And the bimedians are the ones that connect from midpoint to midpoint across like this. Considering that these are our median points. We know that our smaller quadrilateral inside would be formed by connecting our midpoints like this. Oops, like that. So that means that the bimedians here and here would give us the diagonals. So these sides of the smaller quadrilateral are called the mid segments.